Okay, upcycling, yung shavings, like that, no? Para makita nyo. Now, may nakausap ako kagabi na grupo, they were offered by a certain company or group. Now, ang magbibigay sila, tapos parang, bakit ang unti ng investment? Okay? So, they were promised 150,000 pesos per tree. Okay? So, to the uninitiated, happy ka na. Uy, may 150,000 ako per tree. Eh, ang investment ko, less than 10,000, I think. No? Less than 10,000, may 150,000 ako. Wow, actually, that's good already. Ang problema, walang full disclosure. Hindi sinabi sa'yo, nung magiging partner mo, nag-offer ng ganung business model, na pwede mo papakinabangan yung leaves. Chips lang yun eh. Pwede mo papakinabangan yung shavings kasi doon ka kukuha ng oil. So you're getting shortchanged. Why would they do that? Okay? So syempre, matutuwa ka na. Pero ngayon, now, alam nyo, so please spread the word sa Agarwood, hindi lang chips ang pwedeng pakinabangan. May mga value-added products and upcycled products na pwedeng pakinabangan. So sabi ko, yung offer na yun, 150,000 is too small. You're getting shortchanged. Okay? So sana, study tayo. If it's too good to be true, chances are, it's not true. So, ayan. So, sana, kasi, nagiging norm na ngayon, yung ganyan. There should be some ethical standards, no? Sa dealing natin, no? Sa industry. So, maging fair and square sana. Next, uninfected wood. Kasi itong shavings, ito yung immediately na nasa tabi ng agarwood chips. Okay? Yung nasa labas na nun, no? Kasi makikita mo naman yung kulay niyan. Ito yung medyo yellow na part. Yung white, uninfected yon. Kasi yung yellow, infected na rin yun, pero mababa yung grade mo. Because the grading also depends sa carving. Pag na-carve out mo talaga, no, yung mga white, you get a sinking grade. Eh yung iba, ayaw, akala nila mas makapal, mas malaki ang presyo. Mababa ang grade nun. Kasi hindi mo pa tinanggal talaga. You only need the resin. Eh, ang resin formation, ang pinaka-solid, is yung dark or brown spot. So, tanggalin mo yon kasi pwede mo namang gamitin na shaving for oil production, no? Sa distillation. Then, yung uninfected wood, pwedeng gawing wax. No? Yung wax niya, ginagamit niya sa lip gloss, sa balm, sa ointment. Okay? So, again, value add upcycled product. Kasi waste na lang eh. Okay? So again, yan, sinabi ko sa nakausap ko kagabi, no? Hindi niya sinabi. Na ultimo yung kahoy, pwede. Even the bark of malasensis. Ano pwedeng gawin sa bark ng malasensis? Anyone? Tea. I had it this morning. Yung tea, yung bark niya, ginagawa rin. The roots, ginagawa rin. Widely studied ang malasensis. So, upcycled product na yun. Yung iba ay tatapon na lang. So, if someone comes knocking at your door, offering you 150,000 for this much investment sa inyong agarwood, you're getting shortchanged. Okay? Kasi ang dami pang pwedeng income.